A big focus at the moment remains the Mollywood Me Too entire issue that's been playing out. More Malayalam actors actually coming out who were accused of sexual misconduct in the wake of the Justice Hema Committee's report. And they have actually been booked by Kerala police, including CPIM MLA M. Mukesh. A woman actor had accused actors Mukesh, Jayasuriya, Edavela Babu, and Manian Pillai Raju, as well as film production controller, Noble and Congress-affiliated Lawyers Association leader V.S. Chandrasekharan, of sexual misconduct. They were all booked on Thursday. Now, another case against Jayasuriya has been filed. The complainant has alleged sexual assault by the actor in Thorapura. Now, the actress is from Thiruvananthapuram, so the case has been registered there, we're told. Ishika Verma has been tracking the latest updates for us. She joins us live at the moment. Ishika, what further details can you disclose to our viewers at the moment?
Well, in fact, as you rightly said, we are seeing that the investigation in this particular case proceeds so far. In fact, 11 FIRs have been filed by the Kerala police in this entire matter. And if we talk about, the special, measures that are being taken in some particular cases as well, if we talk about actor Siddique, in that case now the SIT, a special investigation team, has now been formed in Trivandrum, and in fact the district crime branch is going to look into this matter. The police had already in fact confirmed that they had in fact evidence that actor Siddique was present on that day in that hotel when this incident allegedly took place. So certainly all the details, in fact, the police is investigating at the moment. Now, if we talk about from where I am reporting, let me first show you that here, the CPIM, in fact, the executive committee meeting is currently going on. The leaders continue to arrive here. Right now, in fact, the cultural minister in the Kerala government also has arrived here. Now, this comes after, we are seeing that the echo demanding Mukesh's resignation from the MLA post only grows, in fact, even within the party. Remember that today morning itself, we in fact broke it on NDTV how Brinda Karat, senior leader of the party, she in fact indirectly demanded the resignation of MLA Mukesh. So certainly after this is a big meeting of the party. Now, what remains to be seen that will in this meeting, a decision be taken on Mukesh? Will the action finally be taken on Mukesh? Because that is what, the demand even on the streets of Kerala continues to grow. Over to you.